In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in ActiveCampaign. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing communications across different time zones, or if you simply want to tailor your settings to your personal preference or your organization's needs. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start by navigating to the settings. You'll find this option at the bottom left of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. The settings icon is hard to miss, and it's your gateway to customizing how the platform works for you. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the tab that says Advanced. This section houses various options that allow you to tweak your account to better suit your requirements, including date and time formats, which is exactly what we're focusing on today. Once you've opened the advanced settings, go ahead and scroll down until you spot the sections labeled Date Format and Time Format. This might require a little bit of scrolling, but it'll be there. Here, you're presented with various standard options for how dates and times can be displayed. Now, why would this matter? Well, having the dates and times displayed in a way that makes sense to you can save you time and avoid misinterpretations. You can choose from formats that display the day, month, and year in different orders. For instance, you might want the date presented as month-day-year or day-month-year. Similarly, for the time format, you have the option to select either the 12-hour or 24-hour clock. Some people find the 24-hour clock clearer, especially when dealing with international teams, while others prefer the 12-hour clock due to its more widespread use in certain regions. If you don't find a standard format that suits your needs, you also have the flexibility to create a custom date format. This is really useful if you want a format that's tailored precisely for you or your business. Custom formats allow for added personalization and cater to specific requirements you might have in displaying your dates and times effectively. Once you've made your selections, it's crucial to save your changes. Head to the top right of the window and click Save. This ensures that your new settings are applied and that everything is displayed just as you've specified. It's always good practice to double-check that your preferences have been correctly updated after saving, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the date and time format in ActiveCampaign. Hopefully, this setup is now more aligned with your preferences and operational needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance with ActiveCampaign.